Hey everyone, Luther here with Bonafide Kayaks, and in this video we're going to talk about the aptly named junk drawer. So we've all seen it happen. You're out on the water, you're fishing, you're changing lures, you've got an empty water bottle or whatever it is. We know by the end of the day you've accumulated some things, you really need somewhere to put them. On the other hand, you've got other things that you just like quick access to. Maybe you don't want to have to reach behind you to get certain things that you might want it really at your fingertips. And that's all of those things is what the junk drawer is created for. It's designed to give you some accessibility and some storage while you're out on the water. Just throw all your junk in there. So to slide the junk drawer forward, we just loosen the knob and we slide it forward till it comes in contact with the little bumper. If we wanted to remove it, we could just pop that bumper out and take it out altogether. Once you look inside, the first thing you're going to notice is these nice little deep trays. It's a nice deep tray and it's got the little dishes on either side. Those dishes are made to fit, for example, this 3640 Plano box perfectly. So it's just nested right in there. It's not going to slide around, rattle around, anything like that. The other thing is, because this is thermoform plastic, you can rig on it. You know, you've got the ability to attach things, to customize it, to do what you want to do to really make it yours. In the front, you'll notice we've got the recesses here, which are great for rod staging. So with this drawer back underneath the seat out of our way, we can lay a rod butt there and then lay the rod in any of the grooves on the forward hatch just for quick staging so that rod's ready to switch presentations or make a cast. So that's a little bit about the junk drawer, about gear management, about keeping your things stowed on the boat. To learn more about those topics, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot of other videos that cover them.